guys, you got the Porsche 911 straight from Dubai. I'm going to do a full review on this car. I'm going to show you how it sounds. I'm going to show you how the drive, the space, how spacious it is. Personally, I prefer the Porsche Panamera because it's quite big. It's a family car, it's quick, it's comfortable. This one you can only fit 2 people on it, and if you want to go shopping or something, you don't have space for that. So first of all, let me show you the sound of it. Sounds okay for red interior, which the only thing I love about is the interior because it's all red. It looks amazing, but that's pretty much all. I'm going to take it for a drive now. See how comfortable it is to drive. Let's see how it goes. Sounds nice, but like I said, I drove quite a few Porsche Panameras, and my choice is the Porsche Panamera. It's quite spacious, it's very, very comfortable. The driving is really good. So let's see. Soon you press it, look, it goes quite quick, but I still didn't get a chance to get the proper main road to see how quick it goes. Okay, let's press it really slowly. It answers quick, but not so quick as I expect for a Porsche 911. It's okay, but it's not very comfortable on the humps and everything. You can feel everything, you can actually feel the floor. So it's not very comfortable for a Porsche 911. Like I said, the Porsche Panamera is much better. But still okay for people who like the Porsches. But me personally, it's not my car. Let's see the rest how it goes. So far it's been having a quick response, but not compared to so many cars I've drove. People say about Porsche 911 is really good, really quick, really responsive. It's not that special for my concern. Also my staff has checked the car, and even the opinion is the same as mine. It's not so good as the Porsche Panamera. Right now I'm driving, I can feel the whole road. You literally feel every hump. So for me personally, I wouldn't have this as a family car or anything like that. As you can see, there's no space at all at the back. It's got 2 seats, but where do you meant to put your foot? You're not going to fit in there for sure. So I wouldn't buy this for a family car. I would take Mrs. for shopping or anything like that. So keep watching, guys. I will show you after this how much space it's got in the boot, how much space it's got in the engine, and it's not spacious at all. You can't even fit one hand inside the engine. So if you want to change anything, literally I don't know what you're going to do in this car. It has to go on the ramp, and if they need to change anything at the top, they'll have to take the engine out. So I wouldn't do that. Look, I'm gonna press, I'm really slow. I'm gonna press the pedal now. Look how quick it goes. And the only thing I like is the sound. The sound is brilliant when you press it. I love the sound. That's what I like about this car. And like I said, I like the interior. I really like red cars interiors. So that's pretty much. So now I'm heading back to the garage. I'm gonna park the car, and I'm going to show you the space in the boot, the spaces at the bonnet, and pretty much. So keep watching, guys. Okay, guys, we're rich. So now we're going to come out. We're going to show you the space of the car, and that's pretty much on this car. It's like I said, it's fast. The sound is amazing, but it's not for me. Personally, I prefer the Porsche Panamera. I don't know about you people, if you drove a Porsche Panamera and if you drove a Porsche 911. I'm pretty sure you guys would have the same opinion as me. So let's see the outside, and that's it. As you can see, this is pretty nothing. If you go shopping or if you have family or anything like that, you hardly can put anything in there. Now the engine is in the boot. So let me show you how much space it's got. Now you tell me, look at this space. If you want to do anything to the engine, what are you supposed to do? Because there's no space. If you put your hand here, most likely you get hot. So that's really about this car. It's okay for single person, and if you haven't got a girlfriend or family or anything like that, and if you want to like just car just to enjoy it, this is okay. But if you're looking for comfort and those sort of things, you better go for a different car. So that's pretty much on the 911. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you on the next video.